How to change Facebook page category. So now if you want to change the category of your Facebook page, the first step is to open your Facebook mobile application this way, and you now proceed to the profile icon at this point to switch from your main account to the page you wish to change the category. So now once you click at that point, you now proceed and you now click on this drop down to select the page. So now once you click on the drop down, you see the list of pages you've created so far. You now proceed and you now click on the one you wish to change each category. So now once you tap on the page, it will now switch from your main account to the page, right? And then the next step is for you now to proceed and you now click on the profile icon once again. So now once you click on the profile icon, you also proceed and you click on settings. So now once you click on your settings, you now scroll down and you now see that we have page details here. You now click on page details. So now once you click on page details, you see the first icon, which is category. As you can see, it is under electronics. So you now click on edit. So now once you click on edit, you now search or you select the one. If you want to go with entrepreneur, so now you select and you now click on save. So now once you click on save, you realize that the category of your Facebook page has been changed to entrepreneur. So if this is helpful, do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and share. Thank you.